In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or export conversations in Slack. Whether you're a team admin needing to keep records or simply someone looking to save an important discussion, this straightforward process in Slack will ensure you efficiently get the information you need. Let's walk through it together. The first thing you need is to navigate to the Slack app or your browser where you access Slack. Head over to your workspace's home section. This is your main hub, and from here, you'll be able to access the necessary settings. Once you've landed on the homepage, direct your attention to the top left of your screen and locate the arrow next to your workspace name. Give it a click. This little drop-down menu is your gateway to more specific settings and options. Now, from the drop-down, look for the section labeled Tools and Settings. Clicking here will take you deeper into the administrative settings available for your workspace. As you do this, you'll notice another option titled Workspace Settings. Go ahead and click there. This section houses all the configurable aspects of your workspace, including the ability to manage your data. Once inside the workspace settings, look for Import, Export Data. Clicking here will present you with options centered around data management, specifically anything to do with importing or exporting workspace data. Now scroll and click on the Export button. A crucial point to note here is that only certain user roles with the correct permissions will be able to see and utilize this option, so ensure your role allows for these actions. Next, you'll see a button that says Choose One. Click on this to select the specific type of data you're looking to export. Here, you have various options, including direct messages, private channels, and public channels. Take a moment to decide what exactly you need, ensuring you're exporting only the conversations pertinent to your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Start Export. This initiates the process of gathering all your selected conversation data. Now, be a little patient as your data is being compiled and prepared for download. Depending on the size and volume of the conversations you're exporting, this might take a little while. Once your export is ready, you'll be notified by Slackbot. Simply click on Slackbot to view your notifications. Here, you'll find a message pointing you to your export page. Click on it to proceed. Finally, look for where it says Ready for Download. Click on this and voila! Your conversation export is now downloaded to your device. Remember, the file you receive will usually be in a zip format, so you'll need to extract it to access the contained JSON files of your conversations. And there you have it, a complete guide on downloading or exporting conversations from Slack. Keep these files stored safely, especially if they contain sensitive information. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.